So right here, I ended up just getting the InoKraft garage space heater, and this thing is awesome. It actually is a 7,500 watt series. This thing looks so good. When I unboxed this, I was truly amazed by how professional everything was packed, how nicely everything was, and everything that's included in the kit. You get this really durable cable that comes with it. You get a really nice mounting bracket. You also get a remote, which I'm really excited about because I'm gonna be mounting this on a 10-foot ceiling. And we get all of the hardware, the little adapter gland, and then all the directions and everything look really easy to follow. But let's take a look at how nice this looks up close. I love the chrome on here. I love how it has like a silver and a gray accent. It looks so good. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna have like a touch screen. You're gonna be able to see the InoKraft's logo on here. All in all, this thing looks absolutely beautiful, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look before I install this. So I am gonna have my friend who is an electrician install this. So after my friend gets this thing all installed, we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what this thing is all about. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. It changed the game. Now I can actually work in my garage when it's freezing out in the wintertime. Heat this baby up, and I've noticed now I just come out. If I know I'm coming out, I'll just set it to 80 real fast, and then I'll go inside for like 5 minutes and I'll come out and this thing will be cooking and it feels so good. These are a game changer and I've always wanted one. I am amazed with the quality that InoKraft has. As my electrician was setting this up, he couldn't stop saying how quality every part was and how easy this was to actually set up. He loved the machine. All right, so right now you guys can see that that is running the Celsius. So you're gonna hit the button one more time. That's gonna show you Fahrenheit. I'm at 65 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and I can also just turn this up. This goes up to like 99, I think. I never set it that high, and I think it goes down to 40 Fahrenheit as well. So I usually just keep it at 80 and it's all good for me. You got the high setting, you got a low setting, and then you can also put this in eco mode. So whatever temperature you set this at, it'll auto adjust and it'll shut off when needed, saving cost and just making it a lot more practical and functional. Another function I like is turning on the fan mode. So that right there, you could just turn the fan on. So if it is a nice hot summer day, you can actually turn this on and still be able to use this and cool your shop or your garage down. So I absolutely love that. But overall, this is super functional. Go ahead and just turn it off. This also runs at about 65 decibels, so it's actually pretty quiet. The fan's running right now and it's still pretty quiet. It's not being noisy. It's not like in the background you have to talk louder over it. And especially because if you put it in like the corner of your garage where you're not like standing the most or the coldest, it's gonna be even better. I highly recommend this, guys. If you're looking for a garage heater, InoKraft is the way to go. This is the 7,500 watt heater and it heats up to 750 square feet. Check out the other ones that they have. Highly recommend this. I give it a 10 out of 10. Add it to your cart. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.